Hello. So to check the texture, so these are instances. So one plane and here with snapping, so like this. And so I place now my texture. So this is the texture, and you see here there's a border. So this image is not a seamless texture or not a perfect seamless texture. So the thing you have to do is here translation here for this thing. So you have to place it here like this and here like this, I think. So, and then the other corner, you have to change the scaling. Oops, too much. So that it fits here. So outline and check it. So it's better, but not perfect, because I think you can't get it perfect. Maybe like this here. And here the translation, where is the beginning? It's not so easy to find the correct point. Yeah, maybe like this here. And then go to the MISC menu and bake the color from itself. And then here you see here now translation and scaling is reset and the color texture is okay. So, and now when you add maybe a cylinder, and place your texture, you find the texture in the Nomad folder, TMP session textures, and this is this texture here. So here, and now it should be okay. So like this, and this is the other texture. And this is the one with the gaps. That's it, ciao.